Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 20 Pro and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and simply tap on this three dots icon. Here we've got the history, so simply tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the full list of visited websites. If you want to delete only one of it, simply click on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it simply disappears. If you want to clear all browsing data, simply click here. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we can also delete saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. Let me pick, for example, autofill form data. And what's more, you can also change the time range from last hour to last 7 days, for example. Simply click on clear data. And as you can see in the history, there are no recently opened pages, so everything went fine and we've just cleared the browsing history. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your HTC Desire 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.